Hey everyone, welcome back to another unboxing and short review. Today in this video, I like to share you guys iQOO 13 unboxing and short review. This is Indian variant. So let's start our unboxing. So first of all, talk about the box content. You can get firstly our smartphone. Next, one soft case, some papers and warranty card, one SIM ejector tool, one Type-C to Type-C cable and 120-watt adapter. This is silver color and the phone look like too much premium on the hand. The smartphone come with Gorilla Glass front and back with aluminum frame, so the build quality is top notch. Moving to the display, the smartphone come with 6.82-inch 1B color LTPO 144Hz refresh rate display with HDR10 Plus supported, and the phone resolution is 2K resolution, and the phone also come with 4500 nits of peak brightness, and the phone also offer IP69 rating and stereo speaker. And security wise, the smartphone come with under display ultrasonic fingerprint scanner and face unlock. On the performance side, the smartphone come with Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite processor with up to 16GB RAM and 1TB storage with UFS 4.1. Software side, the smartphone running Fantas OS 15 with Android 15. On the camera department, the smartphone come with a triple camera setup, 50 megapixel main sensor, 50 megapixel telephoto lens with 2x optical zoom and 50 megapixel ultra wide, and the front is come with 32 megapixel selfie camera. The smartphone main camera you can record high 8K 30fps video, and you also record 4K 60fps video, and the phone also offer 4 major Android update. On the battery department, the smartphone come with huge 6000 mAh battery with 120-watt adapter. And very soon this smartphone long time review coming our channel, so make sure to subscribe and press the bell icon, and I will be catch you next one. Take care, Allah Hafiz.